kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you one of our favorite refreshing salad, and all we need for the dressing is extra virgin olive oil, salt, and lime. That's all you need for these. A few ingredients, but it's delicious. Okay, so we're gonna go to my stove and we're going to saute a few vegetables. So let's get started. First we're going to do is heat up our stove to medium heat. We're gonna put olive oil in our pan, okay, and then make sure your oil is hot before you put your onion on it. Let's add up our onion. Alright, so our onion is a little bit, so I'm gonna add my bell pepper, and you can use any color of your bell pepper. I just happen to have the orange one, so that's what I'm using. And all I'm doing is just gonna hit this, give it a salt for taste. Okay, so leave that for 1 minute. Alright, so it's been a minute and we're gonna turn off our stove, and I'm gonna put this aside cool. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the salad together, and I have here the onion and the bell pepper that we just saute for a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna dump it in my bowl, and then I have drained corn and black beans in my strainer, so they're gonna go in there as well. And I have cilantro all chopped up. Alright, so I'm gonna put them in there too. And I cut up my lime. This is a little lime, just like this. It's similar to calamamsi in the Philippines, so you can use those. It gives it a tangy flavor when you use them. If you don't have this teeny little guy, just use the regular lime. Alright, so I'm going to squeeze the lime juice, and I cut up about 5 in here. It depends how tangy you want, so that's up to you. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this juice in there. This salad is so refreshing. You can make this ahead of time and cool them in the refrigerator, but without the cheese. Okay, we're just gonna stir them up just like that. You don't need to add any more olive oil because you already used it in the onion and the bell pepper. That's why we just dump everything in there, because it has a little bit of oil left, so that's what we use in there. Okay, and I'm just gonna put some salt to taste. Okay, that's up to you too, and taste it. Don't overdo the salt, so it's not gonna be salty. Okay, so I'm going to taste it, see if it needs some more salt or lime. Alright. It's so simple and it's so good. Like I said, put some more lime juice if you want it a little bit more tangy. You can also use jalapeno. You want to give it a little kick, a little bit spicy as well. I'm going to show you how I assemble my salad, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and have it later. Alright, I have a mix of lettuce. You can either chop it or just leave it like that. Okay, and if you don't have these around, or you don't have it at all, if you cannot find any of these, you can just skip it. Okay, and just have this without it. Alright, and so I'm going to put some on top. Okay, just like that. So we're gonna put that on top. Okay, you wanna go really crazy about this salad? Get some tortilla chips, and either you scoop it on or from it and put them all over the top. and that it makes it so good as well. So you can try that too. If you don't want it without it, that's okay too. It's just a suggestion. So I'm going to put some feta cheese, and all you do, you put the feta cheese on top, okay? And you can serve these with extra lime to go with it, okay? So that's what it looks like, and that's it. You just chill it. When you're ready to eat, take it out and eat it. How quick was that? And this is absolutely refreshing. It's really good. All right, so that's our project for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.